Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about advantages of microservices. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. First advantage is regarding teams. In microservice-based architecture, each team has reduced scope of responsibility. Since microservices are developed for a specific feature, developers need to focus on specific functionality and they need not worry about huge scope of the services like in monolithic architecture. Isolated decision making. Developers and team can focus on single specific feature that microservices is based on and they can take decisions based on that. Self-organization. Teams can self-organize the development and maintenance of microservices since microservices is totally responsible for a specific feature. Decentralized decision making. In a microservices-based architecture, a services owner team need not wait for the authority and approval for other teams or or a centralized authority so that they need to do any development or take any decision for that microservices. Maintenance. Deliver new features faster. In microservices based architecture, we can deliver and develop new features faster to production compared to monolithic. Since in monolithic architecture, it is very difficult to integrate new features and test them. It takes months to deliver to production. While in microservice based architecture, we can ship the new product features to production within a month and test the new features through automation testing. Good quality control. As mentioned earlier, microservices based architecture has good quality control since each service is focused on single domain and single specific functionality. Testers need to focus on a specific feature. Flexibility to use technology. Each microservices is independent to use specific technology what they want. A microservices can be developed on .NET Core. Other microservices can develop on Python. Since basic mode of communication between microservices is API, a microservices can be used in different technology. Performance and scalability. Compared to monolithic architecture, it is very easy to track the performance of microservice based architecture. If there is a performance issue, it was very difficult to find out in monolithic architecture which specific area has performance issue. But in microservice architecture, we can track which specific services is consuming more memory or more CPU, and we can have scalability for that particular microservice. Another feature of microservice-based architecture is resilience, uptime, and SLA. So in microservices, each microservice is developed with isolated functionality. Services which are client-facing can have uptime as per the agreed SLA with the clients. Other services can have lower SLAs compared to monolithic, where whole application has to have SLAs as per the agreement with the clients. Error isolation. In microservice-based architecture, if a third-party library is used in the application and there is some error, then we can isolate that third-party library into a specific microservice and whole application will not be impacted. Similarly, if our application is using any third-party APIs or nuggets, then a specific microservice only will be impacted with the issue. So, in a nutshell, these were the advantages of using microservice-based architecture. We will discuss more about microservices in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.